Okay, so in order to add columns with data for every single row on it, we're going to go ahead and check the box right here called repeated data. And what this does is it opens a new section right here where you have the header, the content, the format, and the decimal places, and some other options down here. But the first thing we're going to do is add a column. So right here, we've just created column A of our spreadsheet, and we're going to go ahead and call this caller, we'll call it ticket number. And in order to map this to the proper field, there is an option here called content. So content has a bunch of different properties that are saved on the tickets. Like there's a ton of stuff in here: driver measurements, timestamps, accounting information, etc. So typically what we want to do is search the top right here. So I know that my ticket number is probably an ID number. Maybe it's actually just called ticket number. Yep, identification ticket number. So we can go ahead and select that. And now this column, column A, will have our ticket number. And if we wanted to go ahead and add another column, we can click on the add column right here. Or up here at the top, there's always a little plus right here. So if we wanted to go ahead and create a new column right here in the middle or at the end, we can click on those. So for example, if I make a pickup location, and we'll do drop-off location, and we're going to do purchaser. So if we wanted to rearrange these, which let's map these really quick. So purchaser, we want the purchaser's name, the drop-off location. Let's start searching drop-off. Drop-off city, state, the drop-off actual name, the pickup location. So it looks like a pickup name. So we've kind of got some of this in here. Now, if we wanted to move these around, there's a little trade column option right here. So let's say I want to move my purchaser over into the column B right there. I can go ahead and click the trade column and then do it again. And instead of, copying and pasting, moving things around, you can move it around that way. So now so far, and I'm going to go ahead and click save as we made some changes, we have a ticket number, a purchaser, a pickup location, and a drop-off location columns. And they're all mapped properly. So if I wanted to, if I had a column in here that I didn't want anymore, I could go ahead and click on the delete column right here. It'll make me confirm that I actually want to delete it. And I can go ahead and do that. So with that, let's move on to the next section where we'll talk about some of the options you have for these columns.